So during La Nina po, usually po ay medyo mas dumadami yung bilang ng ating bagyo since yung pong pag-init ng temperatura ng karagatan, mas malapit yung pag-init sa atin. So therefore po, possible yung potential tropical cyclone development na mas malapit na sa karagatan sa atin. So that is why there is a possibility na during the last quarter of this year, possible po na medyo marami tayong bagyo. And usually, malapit po yung development ng mga bagyo. Therefore, yung preparation po natin medyo lumiliit po since yung mga chances po ng developing ng mga bagyo during La Nina mas malapit sa ating kalupaan. So that is why
ibig sabihin niya, mas maikli yung lead time.
Yes.
Ito bagyo mas malapit, mas konti lang ang panahon natin na maghanda. So dapat handang-handa tayo parati sa mga bagyo. As mentioned, the El Nino in the tropical Pacific continues to weaken. But the impacts, like hotter and drier conditions, will continue. Although the El Nino will transition to neutral by April, May, June 2024 season, there is also the increasing probability of La Nina at 62% in June, July, August season. Also, we need to emphasize that historically, pre-developing La Nina is characterized by below normal rainfall. Therefore, the possibility of a slight delay of the onset of rainy season is likely, and its effect will combine with the effects of the ongoing El Nino.